In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a sleek dashboard animation in Figma. Open your design and start by setting up a clean foundation. Create a 1440 pixel desktop frame so your layout feels modern and spacious on standard displays. Build a consistent structure with a side menu on the left and a 12-column grid guiding the main content area. That grid will help you align cards, headers, and metrics, so the animation looks intentional rather than random. Before you animate, make sure your layers are named clearly and consistently. Use the same names for elements like header, sidebar, and cards across every frame. This is crucial because Smart Animate relies on matching names to understand how elements move and fade. Inconsistent names lead to jumpy or broken transitions. Now for the after delay technique. Duplicate your main frame so you have a starting state and an ending state. In the first frame, set the elements you want to animate to their initial positions and opacity. For example, place the sidebar just off the left edge and set its opacity to 0 and position your cards slightly below the canvas with 0 opacity. In the duplicated frame, bring those elements into their final positions, sidebar aligned perfectly on the left, cards neatly on the grid, and change their opacity to 100%. Keep everything precisely aligned so the movement feels polished. Switch to the Prototype tab and connect the first frame to the second, using the after delay trigger. A very short delay, like 1 millisecond, lets the animation start automatically. For the animation type, choose Smart Animate with an ease. In-out curve. Set the duration somewhere between 300 and 800 milliseconds. Shorter durations feel snappier. Longer ones feel smoother and more cinematic. Pick a value that suits your brand and the density of your layout. To make the motion feel sleek, don't reveal everything at once. Stagger the appearance of components by assigning slightly different after delay times to each one. For instance, let the sidebar begin immediately, then have the header follow a fraction of a second later, with cards arriving in a gentle sequence. Small, regular intervals create a rhythm that guides the eye across the interface. Finally, open the preview to see how it all comes together. Watch for smoothness, alignment, and timing. If something feels rushed or sluggish, tweak the durations or delays until the flow feels effortless. That's how you design a sleek dashboard animation in Figma. Thanks for watching.